What we're going to be doing today is a power terms problem. So the directions say find the derivative. The original equation reads y equals 3x to the fourth plus 2 over 5x to the third plus 4 cubed root of x. So the first thing we're going to be doing is setting up each individual part of the equation into the power terms form. So this one is already set up, so we don't have to change it. This one has an exponent on the bottom, which we're going to want to bring out to the front so it's easier to use in the power terms equation. So it's a -3 because it's in the denominator, and we have 4x to the 1/3. It's to the 1/3 because x is to the first power and it's a cubed root. The rule of power terms says that you multiply the exponent by the coefficient to get your leading term, and then you subtract 1 from the exponent. So we're going to do that with each of these terms. So now we're taking the derivative, so this is going to be y prime. So how you do this is you multiply 4 times 3 when you get 12, and then you have your x, and you subtract 1 from the exponent, so you get 3. Now we're going to look at this next term. -3 times 2/5 is -6/5 x minus 1, so -4. Now we're going to look at this one, and this is a fraction, so it's going to be different. Now you're going to have plus 1/3 times 4, which is 4/3 x. 1/3 minus 1 is -2/3. Okay, so now we've already taken the derivative, but now we're just going to simplify it so that these negatives aren't in the top. So we have y prime is equal to, this term is fine, so we're leaving it as is. You're going to have -6 over 5 x to the fourth, because this is negative, so it goes in the denominator, plus 4/3 x to the 2/3. The only other thing we have to add is that this term can be written a different way. So you could have this term, or you could use 4 over 3, the cubed root of x squared. It's the same thing.